We all desire radiant, healthy-looking skin. It boosts our confidence and makes us feel good. While aging is natural and beautiful, there are ways to maintain a youthful appearance. A proper skincare routine is essential in this quest. It's not about stopping time, but about aging gracefully. Investing in your skin is an investment in yourself. This essay will guide you through essential skincare tips. We'll explore simple yet effective methods to achieve a more youthful complexion. From cleansing and exfoliation to hydration and sun protection, each step plays a vital role. Remember, skincare is not one size fits all. It's about understanding your skin type and needs. Let's embark on this journey to unveil your most radiant self.
Cleansing is the foundation of any good skincare routine. It removes dirt, oil, and impurities that accumulate throughout the day. Cleanse twice daily, morning and evening, for healthy skin. Use a pH-balanced cleanser free of harsh sulfates. Evening cleansing removes makeup and pollution. Clean skin is happy skin.
Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, revealing brighter and smoother skin. It unclogs pores, prevents breakouts, and improves product absorption. There are two types: mechanical and chemical. Mechanical uses scrubs or brushes. Chemical uses acids or enzymes. Frequency depends on your skin type. Oily skin may exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week, while dry or sensitive skin should limit it to once a week. Done right, exfoliation leaves skin refreshed and rejuvenated.
Hydration is essential for maintaining the skin's elasticity and overall health. Properly hydrated skin appears plumper with less noticeable wrinkles. Hydration comes from both internal and external sources. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from within. Use a good moisturizer to lock in moisture and prevent water loss. Look for moisturizers with humectants like hyaluronic acid. Apply moisturizer to damp skin after cleansing to seal in hydration. Sun exposure is one of the leading causes of premature aging. UV rays from the sun can damage the skin's collagen and elastin fibers, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Protecting your skin from the sun is crucial regardless of your skin type or the weather. Wear a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. Apply sunscreen liberally to all exposed skin, including your face, neck, ears, and hands. In addition to sunscreen, seek shade during peak sun hours, wear protective clothing, and use sunglasses to shield your eyes. Remember, prevention is better than cure when it comes to sun damage. By diligently protecting your skin from the sun, you can maintain a more youthful appearance and reduce your risk of skin cancer.
Serums and treatments are like the superheroes of skincare. They contain concentrated doses of active ingredients that target specific skin concerns, such as wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and acne. Vitamin C serums are powerful antioxidants that protect the skin from environmental damage, brighten the complexion, and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Retinoids, derivatives of vitamin A, are known for their anti-aging properties, stimulating collagen production and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. When choosing serums and treatments, it's important to consider your skin type and concerns. Start with a low concentration and gradually increase the frequency of use as tolerated. Remember to introduce one new product at a time to monitor your skin's reaction. With the right serums and treatments, you can address specific skin concerns and enhance your overall complexion.
Achieving youthful-looking skin is not about quick fixes or miracle products. It's about establishing a consistent skincare routine and making it a part of your daily self-care ritual. Consistency is key to seeing visible results. Make time for your skincare routine morning and evening, and don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. It takes time for your skin to respond to the products and treatments. Remember that skincare is a journey, not a destination. As your skin ages and changes, so too should your skincare routine. Listen to your skin, adjust your products as needed, and consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns. By embracing a holistic approach to skincare, including a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management, you can achieve your most radiant and youthful self.